Hi friend, today I am going to tell you about transmission system. So please listen to me well. Definition of transmission system: the mechanism that transmits the power developed by the engine of automobile to the engine to the drive wheel is called the transmission system. It is composed of clutch and gearbox, propellant shaft, universal joint, rear axle, wheel tire. Yeah, you can say the transmission is context of automobile means the transfer of power from crankshaft to road wheel. Thus, the transmission system is a mechanism which transmits power from crankshaft of engine to the road. You can see that is engine, that is clutch, that is transmission, U joint. U joint means universal joint, that is green. So you can see that is drive shaft, that is real wheel, that is reference differential. Requirement of transmission system. Point 1: provide means of connecting and disconnecting of engine with rest of power train without shock and smoothly. Next point: provide a varied leverage between the engine and the drive wheel. Next point: provide means to transfer power in opposite direction. Enable power transmit at varied angle and various length. Next point: enable speed reduction between engine and the drive wheel in the ratio of 5:1. Enable diversion of power from a right angle. Next point: provide means to drive the driving wheel at different speed will required. Next one: bear the effect of torque, react, driving, thrust and braking effort essentially. The above requirements are fulfilled by the following main unit of transmission system: clutch, gearbox, transfer case, propeller shaft and universal joint, final drive, differential, torque tube, road wheel. Clutch. A clutch is a mechanism which enables the rotary motion of one shaft to be transferred at will to second shaft, whose axis is coincident with that of first. Second point: clutch is located between engine and gearbox. When the clutch is engaged, the power flow from the engine to the rear wheel through the transmission system and the vehicle move. When the clutch is disengaged, the power is not transmitted to the rear wheel and the vehicle stops. While the engine is still running, clutch is disengaged when starting the engine, shifting the gear, idling the gear. Clutch is engaged only when the vehicle is to move, is kept engaged when the vehicle is moving. This is clutch plate. Function of clutch. Point A: to permit engagement or disengagement of a gear when the vehicle is stationary and the engine is running. B point, the transmit the engine power to the road wheel smoothly without shock to the transmission system while setting the wheel is motion. Point C, the permit the going of gear when the vehicle is in motion without damaging the gear wheel. Principle of operation of a clutch. The clutch principle is based on friction. When two friction surfaces are brought in connected with each other and pressed, they are united due to friction between them. If one is revolved, the other will also revolve. The friction between the two surfaces depend upon first area of surface, second pressure applied upon them, coefficient of friction of the surface materials. Here one surface is considered as driving member and the other as driving member.